Optimizing Node.js deployments with Yarn on AWS Elastic Beanstalk, a step-by-step guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to deploying Node.js apps with AWS Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is a powerful service that simplifies the deployment and management of Node.js applications. By abstracting much of the underlying infrastructure, developers can focus on writing code while AWS handles scaling, monitoring, and load balancing. However, regarding dependency management, AWS Elastic Beanstalk defaults to NPM, which, while capable, has limitations. Enter Yarn, a more efficient alternative that can enhance your Node.js deployments on Elastic Beanstalk. The default NPM dependency management and its limitations. NPM is the default package manager for Node.js applications on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. While widely used, NPM can sometimes improve performance, determinism, and security. Issues like inconsistent dependency versions or slow installations can lead to deployment headaches. On the other hand, Yarn offers deterministic installs, better performance, and superior dependency resolution, making it a preferred choice for many developers. Utilizing platform hooks for Yarn integration. Integrating Yarn with AWS Elastic Beanstalk isn't straightforward, but it's achievable using platform hooks. Platform hooks are powerful tools that allow you to customize the deployment process by injecting your scripts at specific points. This customization is essential for replacing NPM with Yarn for dependency management. An overview of platform hooks and their role in custom deployment scripts. Platform hooks in AWS Elastic Beanstalk allows you to run custom scripts during different stages of the deployment process. You can use them to install additional software, set environment variables, or, in this case, replace NPM with Yarn. By placing scripts in specific directories within your project, you can dictate when and how they are executed. Setting up platform hooks for Yarn. To replace NPM with Yarn in your Elastic Beanstalk environment, you'll need to create custom platform hooks that instruct the environment to install and use Yarn instead of NPM, preventing NPM installation and enabling Yarn for dependency management. Create the platform directory. Within your project root, create a platform directory. This is where your custom platform hooks will reside. Create the hooks directory. Inside platform, create a hooks directory. You'll add scripts here to control various deployment stages. Add pre-deployment script. In the pre-build subdirectory of hooks, create a script named oo_yarn.sh. !bin/bash. #prevent NPM installation and enforce Yarn. If f/user/local/bin/npm, then rm/user/local/bin/npm. Phi. curl olhttps://yarnpg.com/install.sh bash. Export path equals $home/.yarn/bin: $home/.config/yarn/global/node_modules/.bin::path. 4. Make the script executable. Ensure the script is executable by running chmod +x platform/hooks/prebuild/oo_yarn.sh. Handling Amazon Linux 2023 specifics. Amazon Linux 2023 brings some changes that may impact how your scripts run, particularly around how packages like Yarn are installed. Additional steps for Corepack installation on Amazon Linux 2023. With Amazon Linux 2023, Corepack is included by default, which allows you to manage Yarn versions more effectively. Update the script for Corepack. Modify your oo_yarn.sh script to ensure Corepack is used. !bin/bash. !ensure Corepack is enabled and Yarn is installed. Corepack enable. Corepack prepare Yarn at stable activate. Test the installation. Deploy your application and verify that Yarn is correctly installed and used instead of NPM. Incorporating config hooks for environment configuration changes. Config hooks are another powerful tool in AWS Elastic Beanstalk that allows you to apply environment-specific configurations during deployment. By using config hooks, you can ensure that any environment-specific settings are applied consistently across deployments, ensuring consistency across deployment and configuration updates. Create configuration files. Within the platform directory, create a config subdirectory. Add your environment-specific configurations here. Use config hooks for seamless updates. Utilize config hooks to ensure that these configurations are applied each time your application is deployed, preventing inconsistencies. Troubleshooting common issues. Deployments don't always go smoothly, especially when custom scripts are involved. Here's how to troubleshoot some common problems. Solutions for script execution errors and permission denials. Check permissions. Ensure your scripts are executable, chmod plus x, and have the correct shebang, #!bin/bash. Debugging failures. Use echo statements in your scripts to output messages and variables. This can help you identify where the script is failing. Permission denied errors. If you encounter permission errors, ensure the script has the correct ownership and that any directories it writes to are writable. Summary and resources for further learning. Yarn offers significant benefits over NPM, and you can seamlessly integrate AWS Elastic Beanstalk's platform hooks and config hooks into your deployment pipeline. Following the steps outlined above will ensure more reliable and efficient Node.js deployments. Recap of key steps and recommendations for continuous improvement. Understand platform hooks. They are vital to customizing your deployment process. Leverage config hooks. Use them to ensure consistent environment configurations. Test thoroughly. Always test your hooks and scripts in a staging environment before deploying to production. Keep learning. AWS documentation and community forums are excellent resources for troubleshooting and expanding your knowledge. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.